I haven't had a job for over 8 years, and that has been the biggest blessing of my life. I've never felt so much freedom, purpose, and joy in my life. We're taught that having a career equals success, stability, and purpose. But what if chasing a career is actually what's keeping you disconnected from your true calling and happiness? By stepping off the traditional career path and aligning with your soul's purpose, you stop living from fear and start living from flow. Today I will share 3 reasons why you don't need a career and why it can bring you more identity, purpose, and inner peace. And funnily and ironically enough, I'm actually earning more now than back when I had a job and a boss. I was a complete study nerd at school because I wanted to get a really good, high-paying job when I graduated. So when I graduated, I got a marketing job. I was so excited. And when the workday was over, I was like, that was exhausting. Wait, I have to do this 5 days a week until I'm retired? So I kept trying different jobs. No job lasted more than 11 months. And eventually I hit a breaking point. I was on my bed, eating chocolate ice cream, crying. I can't do this anymore. I literally can't do this anymore. And I tried different freelance gigs, remote jobs, but eventually when I started my own business, that's when I personally felt so fulfilled because I was sharing my gifts with the world. I wasn't helping somebody else achieve their dream. I was focusing on my own dream. And that leads us to point number 1. Finding peace through purpose. When I stopped trying to force success and started following my inner guidance through meditation, journaling, and being of service, everything began to flow. And this is because purpose is not something you chase, that you look for, what is my life purpose? It's something that you remember. And one action item that I have for you that will help with this is to spend time in silence. For example, going on a nature walk without any podcast on, without any friend with you. And then just ask yourself, what wants to be expressed through me? And to help give you clues, you can look at your astrology, for example, your midheaven, your north node, or your human design. There are free tests online you can do to see, and that can give you a little bit of a guideline on what your purpose could be. And trust me, once you're living your purpose, you will never want a career ever again. And feel free to download my freebie, How to Find Your Purpose in 5 Simple Steps, link in the description. Reason number 2 why I don't want a traditional career and why you might not want one is that it's a box. And your soul was never meant to fit in a box. Basically, you want to stop identifying as your career. So if somebody asks you, what do you do? Stop going to the default of like, this is my job title, like nurse, chef, whatever it is. Instead, answer with who you are at your core. For example, I help people awaken. And studies actually show that younger generations are prioritizing meaning and flexibility over stability and salary. The collective is waking up. And that leads us to point number 3, that I didn't want to trade my time for money anymore. I looked within and thought about, why is it that I want money? And I realized it's because I wanted more freedom. I associated money with freedom as it unlocks more in your life. But if you are tied to your desk job, to your computer, you can't leave the office from 9 to 5, that is not freedom. And for you, success might mean something different. It might not be freedom, it might be something else. So redefine what success means to you. Write it down and let me know in the comments. You also want to journal about the emotions that you want your dream life to feel like. For example, in my case, it's peaceful, inspired, free. And with any new income opportunity, ask yourself, is this moving me towards that dream life or not? So remember, you are not lazy for wanting rest, for not wanting to hustle and burn out like the majority of the population. You're not unmotivated for wanting peace. You're just evolving and stepping more into your soul. And if you want to learn how to start a passive income business, then book a free clarity call, link in the description. Look, you came here to anchor a new way of living, one that values being over doing. You are part of the new definition of success. Next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, link in the description or the pinned comment. Love you and see you in the next video.